Hello and welcome. Today I am going to be showing you a few of the new features using the Windows 8.1 preview. So let's just open that. I am going full screen with this. And here we go. Wow, it boots. Okay. That is the boot screen. I do not know if that is common with Windows 8 or not, but I've never tried Windows 8. I have just seen videos of it, and seen screenshots and read stuff about it. I have never tried it, although I think I would like it. Now, the first thing I'm going to be showing you is the new start screen customizations. However, another new feature is boot to desktop, which will be demonstrated when we boot and sign in. Updating. Good. Very good. Sorry about that. I didn't know the 8.1 preview got updates. Black screen, that should bring us to the login screen soon. So, yeah. Do not know why it is not going yet. Usually it's done by now. So, one of the things I'm going to be showing you is how you can skip the lock screen in Windows 8 Pro, or how you can make other tweaks in any Pro version of Windows on the lock screen. It also works on Windows 8 Enterprise. And this is taking forever. Oh, shoot. Here, my taskbar. Well, that loads. How about I go into the web, if anything's gonna work. There. Come on, start menu. Yeah, that virtual machine uses 1/3 of my RAM, and Windows uses another third, always. So now, if Chrome will unminimize, there. So what I'm going to show you is how to skip the lock screen in any version of Windows. I'm not going to show you how to do it in the Group Policy Editor, which is just in Pro versions of Windows. Like, I have Windows 7 Home Premium. If I right-click Computer, Properties, wait for it to load because it is slow as heck when I have Virtual Machine up. It's coming up. And so I have Windows 8.1 Premium. Windows 8.1 Premium. I have Windows 7 Home Premium. And this isn't a version of Windows, so if I type in gpedit.msc, so that's what it's not gonna find up. See Windows 7 Home Premium. Here we are. And I'm uploading to YouTube. I'm wondering how slow that's going. That was my getting Windows ready. Oh, come on. 100%. So, and if you want to get a Windows 8.1 preview virtual machine set up, you can go to preview.windows.com and find the ISO file in your language. USA is going to be at the top. English for the United Kingdom is going to be next. And from there on, I believe it goes in alphabetical order. So that is that. I'm going for the disabling the lock screen. Oh, now it's restarting. Are you kidding me? When I decide to do a video, it has to do all this update crap. You know what? I think that I will just stop recording for a minute, and I will come back when I have some stuff open and when I am finished with some stuff. So I'm gonna pause the recording and wait until the update's finished. Or are finished. Okay, I am back. Hopefully that is all ready now and booting up because it says Windows is getting ready. Oh, and here's the login. I just want to show you what we're going to be doing. Well, if you want to do it easily, you can. I'll probably put a link to this in the description, and then you can download these, and then you can download the disable and enable lock screen registry files, and those you won't have to do anything. You just have to double click them. But you can also, if you don't want to download something, you can go to regedit.execute, which, let me log in. There we are going. Shoot, I dropped a cable. Password is incorrect. Okay. Ooh. There we go. And then what we're going to be doing is going into regedit.execute, going to HKey, local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows, personalization, and then you're probably not going to see that, so you're going to right click the Windows, this one above it. So if this was real, I'd click there, and new key would pop up. And then after you have that, you're gonna click there, and then new D-word value. Don't worry, I'll show us all. And then you're gonna name it no lock screen and change the value data to 1. But okay, here we are. Let's go to regedit.execute. Another new feature in Windows 8.1 is the small tile size and the large tile size. Here's regedit. You're going to click that. You're going to wait for it to go, and you're going to get the UAC prompt. Yep. Even if you're an administrator. I'm the only user on this. I'm the admin. And then, so what we're going to be doing is, I always leave those open. When I try to do a tutorial, I always have it all set up, but I always leave the keys open. You're going to go to HKey, local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows, and then if you're going to probably have to right click there, new key, and name it personalization. You're going to click on the personalization key, make a new D-word value called no lock screen. Right click it and modify, and it's gonna be default is 0, but you have to change it to 1. So it's kind of like binary. 0 means off, and 1 means on. Okay? And then you will have no lock screen. So, I will put a link to that in the description if you want to download those registry keys so you don't have to actually go in there. Then you can, and then the next thing I want to show you is the new desktop features. So, in navigation, there's gonna be, you can get rid of hot corner, and in this, I know a lot of people aren't gonna really care about that, but it used to be you go into something, well, maybe, no, I don't know what that is. In the menu, I right-click the lower left corner. Oh, that's here. You right-click the Start button, and then you can use those. If I untick that and click Apply, whoops, I go here. It's gonna be Command Prompt, but I can when I click the upper left corner, I don't have any recent apps, so how about we open Mail and SkyDrive. Oh, and the Start button is always there, so if I go down here, then, well, if I go down here, that's another way to access the app switcher, or you can just click Start. So now we're in desktop, and it's gonna show that. But if I disable it, Apply, nothing. Wow, what? How did I get that? Oh, so it won't go by like that, but it will go like that. Okay, I think that's fair enough. I like that. When I point to the upper right corner, show the charms. Apply, no charms. Oh, you can still do it. Yeah, you can still do it by the bottom left, which I like anyway because it's right by that Show Desktop button. Or, I don't know if that's still there, is it? Oh yeah, it is. It just doesn't have that nice look to it and that nice separator. Okay, as it's not 5:20 a.m. Trust me, it's way past that. I'm too awake for it to be 5:20 a.m. So what you're gonna be is Start screen. Now you can enable boot to desktop. Go to the desktop instead of Start. Show my background on Start. Always show Start on my main display if I press the Windows logo key. I only have one display. If I had two, which would be a nightmare to record, then it would be normal. Then it would go on my main one. So, but the idea is, say I have 3 monitors and my mouse is on the left one. And there's a left, a center, and a right. The center is my main display. So I'm active on this left one, doing stuff. And then I press the Windows logo key, and instead of opening on that left one, it's gonna open on your main display, the center. Whoops, sorry. You didn't know. Let's and now I can check that and check that and check that. Now everything is checked. Search everywhere. This is basically all of these you're gonna want if you want to use this on a desktop, except for possibly these two. These two you might not want, but just to show you how they work. Watch this. So, desktop, administrative, AutoHotkey, Google Chrome, Google Drive, which I installed, LibreOffice, VirtualBox, guest editions, calculator, notepad, paint, remote desktop, sound recorder, Windows Journal, all this stuff, command prompt, default, file explorer, Windows PowerShell. And then I finally get to here, the modern apps. Okay, so, and if you have that enabled and say, oh, I don't know, you wanted to just go back to this and check the weather, you can, then just go, and say you wanted to quick look at your mail, see if you have any new ones, you could do that. Nope, I don't have any mail, and go down. So that is that. Oh, what else was I going to show you? Oh, how to shut down from the desktop, I guess I can do. You right-click, shut down. Whoop, I thought a dialog appeared. Whoops. Well, I guess that shutting down thing will be the end. So, I guess that I will see you in the next video, which might be a game video, might be a tech video, I don't know. So, goodbye, and I'll put a link to this article in the description so you can download these. So, goodbye. I will see you in the next video.